Matt Armstrong is standing in a Miami warehouse, staring at a Bugatti that most manufacturers would never allow to be rebuilt. Not because it can't be fixed, not because it's too expensive, but because Bugatti refused to sell replacement parts, refused to help repair it, and made it clear they want no involvement at all. In the next few hours, Matt has to strip this blacklisted Chiron down to bare carbon, pull the engine, and split the entire car in half, without factory backing, without official tooling, without knowing if it can ever go back together. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. This is more than a rebuild. This is uncharted territory. Every panel, every bolt, every carbon fiber weave is a challenge Matt's never faced before. The interior must come out first. Every piece needs to be trimmed, stripped, catalogued, and sent to E3 Customs. Seats, dash, center console, every inch meticulously handled because one mistake could cost thousands. While the team focuses on the interior, the gearbox looms in the back of their minds. The damaged transmission means splitting the car in half, something no one outside Bugatti has attempted without specialized tooling. Matt starts with the door cards, T30 bolts everywhere. He asks FXALEXG straight up, "Do you think we can fix this car without Bugatti's help?" FXALEXG doesn't hesitate. "No doubt in my mind, I have no other option." That's the reality. The money's spent. The car is here. Walking away means losing everything. Matt pulls the first door card free. Full carbon fiber underneath. Sanding marks still visible. Wiring looks identical to Volkswagen Audi components. Good news. If this shares VW Group parts, sourcing becomes possible. Right now, Matt's focused on bolts. Hundreds of them hold this interior together. Every single one must come out without breaking anything. Hours pass, panels removed, bolts sorted, carbon exposed. Every discovery leads to another decision: repair, replace, or innovate. The big Bugatti C logo in the center console. That's the scary part. One wrong move and it breaks. Bugatti isn't selling replacements. Matt finds a hidden magnetic carbon fiber triangle in the door, an emergency release. FXALEXG didn't know it existed. He's been in this car thousands of times and never noticed it. That's Bugatti. Built with so much redundancy, even owners don't know all the features. The steering wheel comes off. But now, there's a problem. How do they move the car without it? How do they start it? Matt tapes up the clock spring. It's like a BMX gyro. Lets the wheel spin without tangling wires. Over-rotate it, and the ribbon breaks. Then the start button fails. Without Bugatti support, there's no replacement. Matt marks the exact position. The wheel must go back exactly where it came from. Small victories mark the day. A trim piece comes off cleanly. A seat is safely removed. The dashboard prepped for repair. Challenges continue. Adhesives, hidden bolts, glued carbon fiber. Each obstacle tests skill and patience. Yet every step is a lesson. Every problem an opportunity to learn hypercar mechanics in real time. Matt reflects on the rarity of what he's doing. Chiron or Veyron? Which is better? FXALEXG thinks the Chiron has more presence. Wider, meaner, aggressive. The Veyron is bubbly and fun, but the Chiron looks like it means business. The conversation shifts to sound. The Chiron doesn't have a V12 roar, but you can't have everything. As pieces are prepped for E3 Customs, strategy shifts toward the engine and gearbox. The reality of splitting a Chiron becomes tangible. No factory backing, no official parts, no safety net. Yet determination drives them forward. FXALEXG's decision not to repair at Bugatti set this whole thing in motion. Insurance quoted 1.7 million. Bugatti dropped it to 600,000. But once the car goes there, it stays. The price could climb. The timelines stretch. FXALEXG loses control. He spent 2 million buying it back. Sending it to Bugatti might seem reasonable, but there's no guarantee it doesn't turn into a year-long project. So FXALEXG chose content, chose control, chose to rebuild with Matt's help. Parts sourcing becomes ingenuity. Using Audi and VW components where compatible. Airbags from Audi A3 because part numbers match. Dashboard repairs using VW Group adhesive methods. Every step is documented, every component scrutinized. This rebuild is more than restoration, it's proof of capability. Matt and the team push limits, balancing risk, creativity, and technical skill. Each small triumph builds momentum toward a fully restored, one-of-a-kind Bugatti Chiron. Then Bugatti CEO Mate Rimac responds. He posts a video addressing Matt's rebuild, not angry, just explaining why Bugatti won't support it. Parts prices are rumors. Headlights aren't $150,000, they're around $20,000. But Matt can't buy them from Bugatti. Third-party sellers charge $150,000. Airbags are crash-tested in every condition. Matt's sourcing Audi A3 airbags because part numbers match. Rimac says the testing isn't the same. Dashboard breakpoints aren't verified. Deployment may be less safe. Splitting the car requires specialized equipment. Only 2 facilities can do it, both Bugatti. Even if Matt succeeds, Bugatti won't stand behind the repair. Matt watches. Reaction is practical, not defensive. He gets it. Safety concerns make sense, but he has no choice. He can't buy parts. He can't send it to Bugatti for $600,000 because FXALEXG loses control. So they're doing this, sourcing VW Group parts where possible, fabricating what they can't buy, repairing what they can't replace, documenting everything. Will it be as safe as factory? Probably not. Will it meet Bugatti's standards? Definitely not. But it'll be better than leaving it as a £2 million pile of parts. The interior is loaded into the van, heading to E3 Customs for a complete retrim. Custom design, one of one. Because if it can't be stock, it might as well be special. Seats go separately. Seatbelts go to the airbag reset team. Everything moves forward. Back in the UK, Matt's dad and Liam work on the BMW M3. Won't start due to ghost immobilizer. Tried everything. New battery, jump pack, starter motor. Nothing works. Then they find it. Hidden in the wiring loom. Ghost unit still active. They disconnect it. Reconnect factory wiring. Press start. And it fires immediately. Problem solved. But the M3 isn't Matt's focus. The Bugatti is. And the next step is the hardest thing Matt's ever attempted. Splitting the car in half without Bugatti's tooling, process, or support. This is where most rebuilds stop. Manufacturer control isn't just money. It's knowledge, equipment, systems designed to keep independent builders out. But Matt isn't most people. FXALEXG didn't spend $2 million to quit now. In a few weeks, Matt's flying back to Miami to split the car, pull the engine, attempt what Bugatti says only they can do. This isn't just about rebuilding a car. It's about whether owners truly own their vehicles or if manufacturers hold all the power. No shortcuts, no guarantees, just relentless pursuit of excellence. Subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.